小朋友们 So today, one exercise you're gonna have is fill in the blanks with 这 or 那 based on the prompt. So, 这 means this, 那 means that. It's the same usage as in English. For example, you point to a person standing about 30 feet away and say, 那个人是我的老师，他是北京人。That person is my teacher. He is from Beijing. He is Beijing people. Right? 2. You are holding a photo, a family photo in your hand. 一个家庭的照片在你的手里。然后你说 Which one should you use? 这 or 那 You are holding the photo. It's close to you. Or say 这是我爸爸，这是我妈妈。Correct? So, you are going to do 3 and 4. 叫 This is a name following 李生 right? 李生 is 生日的生。This is a name too. 李友 Family name is what? Right. 李 Given name is 友李友。Alright, this one 是李先生。李先生 it's a name. 李小约 it's a name too. Alright, 好 So see how can you get it? 好，谢谢，再见。